In today's video, I'll teach you how to do this beautiful, colorful I-cord. Here, I decided to make it into 2 different colors, but you can use as many colors as you want, okay? So let's start. So here, I decided to start in white color. And first, we tie our slip knot, okay? Adjust the yarn in our crochet hook. And I will make 3 chains, so 1, 2, and I have 3 chains here. So now we are going to insert the hook here in the second chain from the hook, as if we were doing a single crochet. We have 2 loops in the crochet hook. We won't do a single crochet. Now I enter the hook in the first chain, pass the yarn through the chain like this, and I have 3 loops in my crochet hook. This beginning is a little bit more difficult, but believe me, it will get easier. Now I place the other color of the yarn that you're using here, and what we have to do is I remove the crochet hook from the 3 loops that I have, okay? Insert in the first one and bring it here. I insert the crochet hook in the second chain, yarn over and pass it through the chain like this. Now I have 2 red loops in my crochet hook, and I do the same in the last one. And now I have 3 loops in my crochet hook. So I leave this yarn here. It doesn't matter where it is, you see that it will all be hidden in the end. So now I take the white yarn again, I remove my crochet hook, and gently I take the yarn through the first chain, insert the hook here, and I take it in the second chain, and I do the same in the last one. Why did I say that you should do this procedure very gentle? Because if you don't remove the crochet hook, like paying lots of attention, you might lose. Let me do this so you can see. You might lose your last chains of color, you see? So always very gentle so you won't lose it. I insert my crochet hook here, bring the yarn through the chain. I'll do the same in the last one, and I have 3 loops in my crochet hook. As it starts to get a little bit bigger, what I usually do is a trick that I found out. With this finger here, I usually hold the piece so it doesn't escape. You see that now I'm holding it, I'm pressing it a little bit hard so I won't lose my chains. I can remove it and it won't escape because I am holding it, I'm pressing it. This is a very good tip. And you can do this as many times as you want, as long as you want, to create your colorful I-cord. Okay? I will keep doing it, and I'll come back to show you another trick when it's a little bit bigger, okay? Okay, so I got to the size that I want for my crochet piece, and in our last row, what we have to do is, again, I remove my crochet hook, I bring the yarn here in the first, second, in the last chain, yarn over and pass the yarn through all loops. And here it is. We can cut the yarn and pull this remaining thread and it won't escape. But something I told you in the beginning is that you shouldn't worry if the color change would be a mess in the back. As you can see, it's not like that messy, but yeah, it's a little bit. And we don't want this effect. What we want is a more round shape like this. And how do we get it? How do we close it? There's no need to sew. What we have to do is twist the I-cord like this with our hand. We just twist it like this. Yeah, I guess this way you can see it better. And it's closed. And here is our colorful I-cord.